Hey, how's everyone doing? Here goes the next video on the 2001 Chevy S10. As you seen at the end of the last video, we got it running. I was actually able to take it for a quick ride around the block and everything. Yeah, the motor runs good. So I just got home. I figure we're going to do a quick start on this, a cold start. Start her up. And just go over it from there. Also in today's video, what I have to fix, if you look down in here, down there, oops, see if I can get it closer. Yeah, I gotta patch up the two holes I made for the transmission. What happens is there's 6 bolts that hold the transmission in. The top one on the driver's side is a real pain in the ass to get to, even with the distributor out. It's almost impossible. So I drilled a hole in the firewall for that, and I suggest anyone that does these trannies do it. I mean, you could tilt the tranny down, use a ton of extensions, and just curse. One of those jobs where you'd be cursing until you finish it. I didn't do that. I just used a hole saw, popped a hole in it, came out 1, 2, 3. Then I did the second, the very bottom transmission bolt was easy to get to. Took that out in 2 seconds. The next one, it's impossible. I mean, you got to lower the tranny, tilt it back, and you could turn it maybe a 1/4 of an inch at a time, which I never even bothered trying to do. I just used a hole saw, cut in there, bam. So that's the only 2 that you really got an issue with. The other bolt on the top of the transmission on the passenger side, that's relatively easy to get. Just as long as you have the distributor out, you get a wrench or a ratchet on it, no problem. And then the other 2 bolts near the starter, the 2 lower bolts on the passenger side of the transmission, came right out. There's nothing there. But I would strongly recommend you drill the holes in the floorboard like I did if you're doing this. It just saves so much trouble. Anyways, let's do a cold start. Yeah, she's running good. I did put the steering wheel on crooked. That's the wheels going straight, and when I slid it back on, I must have turned this or something, so now I got it's just 1 bolt in there. I think it's a 10 millimeter. Pop it out, pull the steering column piece, that rod, whatever you want to call it, slide it back, turn the wheel till it's straight, slide it back in, put the bolt in. Yeah, so I screwed that up. See if I can open this one-handed. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I got her all together. Everything's installed. I gotta replace my ear cleaner. Yeah, she runs good, really good. Turned out to be a nice buy, that engine. If you're in the Connecticut area, that's probably, I bought a ton of engines and transmissions from Chuck and Eddie's used parts in Southington, Connecticut. I've never got a bad part from them. So yeah, this thing is running great. Yeah. So, not bad. I got to put the center console back in. I got to fix the 2 holes in there. I have scrap metal in there. I'm just going to cut 2 pieces. Put a tack weld on each one in there, and I have some seam sealer. Put that back in. And I do have the ABS and brake light on the dashboard. and my scanner's telling me the front, right or left, I forget which one it is now, speed sensors not working, not connected, that's something. I'll play around with that later on. So we'll end the video, we'll end this section of the video right now. Yeah, she's running good, drives good, everything's great. So I'll be back when I got some more updates. Bye. And I'm back, just doing a quick update here. Progress on the S10. I cut out a piece of metal right here for one of the transmission holes. 2.5 inches. I used the hole saw right here, for anyone that's never seen one. And then the other hole on the top, I was able to use a regular washer for like goes on a nut and bolt fasteners. So we got them in there. There's one. There's two. That one was a pain in the neck, the top one. I was worried about burning the wires, so I had to wrap everything up in that stuff there. And I put a little RTV on that one, behind it. I only did a tack, so it didn't really melt it too bad as far as the RTV goes. So yeah, the only thing I got left to do on this, to button this up, is, besides put the welder away and everything. And to be honest with you, you really don't even need a welder. You could just use RTV and some seam sealer. I happen to have tons of this.
Failure is not an option.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna spritz some on there, cover them all up, the hole in the center, and that should be great. I'll update if I have any problems with it in the future, but I don't think I will. But I know one thing, if I ever have to pull the transmission out again, it's gonna be super easy now. So yeah, I'm definitely, I agree with cutting the firewall. Saves a lot of hassle, you know? So anyways, next I'll show when it's all done. This isn't really a how-to video, I'm just showing progress of this project as I'm going along. This is probably be part 9 right here. So I'm just going over everything I've been doing. So, alright, next time I got it all cleaned up and everything, we'll see how she looks. Bye. Alright, it's the next day here. I had to let that sealant dry overnight. But anyways, we got it done. It's on there. I put the sealant on, then a coat of RTV on top of that, and that should be fine. And what's good is when you start it up now, you don't have the engine noise inside the cab anymore. So yeah, job done. Next thing we're gonna do here, I gotta clean this interior. It's never been cleaned since I got it. I did order another steering wheel, a used one off eBay, because this one's shot. So hopefully that'll be here within the next, it said by December 1st. It's the day before Thanksgiving right now. So next is I'm going to clean this all up, vacuum it all out, do a quick detail, not an intense one, just a quick one. I'll put all the carpets back. I got to put the center console back in. I got to put this piece that goes under the ashtray, hides the wires where the body control module is. In case anyone's ever wondering, it has a Chevy S10. That 3-plug box right there, that's your body control module. And yeah, we'll clean this up. I'll clean the windows and everything. At least get the inside all done nice. Yeah, and that's it for now. Yeah, so let me clean her up here, and I'll just do a quick update on the cleaning, what it looks like afterwards. That'll probably be the end of this video. And next one after that will be, we'll see. I have to think about it. All right, bye. Alright, how's everyone doing? We're back again. Here goes the last part of the video for sure. I got the interior all cleaned up, looking good. It was a quick clean, not a really good one. The rugs need to be shampooed or steam cleaned, whatever, but I'll get to that later on. I just needed to get it cleaned up for now. Next thing we're doing, I bought these 2 power mirrors, heated power mirrors, I guess they are, because both of mine don't work. So I got these off Amazon. They're pretty cheap. I think it's somewhere between 50, 60 bucks, something like that. It was a couple months ago I got them. So we're out here. Got the door panel off. And I'm about to take this thing off. You can see this thing's garbage. So panel came off easy, pops right off. Nothing to it. I didn't even have to take off the power windows or any of that stuff. Just left it all in. There were two 7mm bolts right here and here under the door handle here, and one Phillips head screw right back here to go with that. And that's it. Now I just got 3 bolts in here I got to take off, and this mirror should come off, and we'll have a new one on there. Here's the interior. I got it cleaned up a little bit. She's all back together. Too bad the steering wheel's crooked. I did order, and I already said that. Yeah, I ordered a used steering wheel off eBay. So hopefully we'll get that in soon, and then I'll fix all this up. Yeah, not bad. All clean. Yeah, so I'll only get this mirror on, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, bye-bye. Alright, we're getting her finished up. New mirrors on. Nice. It was an easy job. Not bad at all. Yeah, power mirror works, everything. It's, yeah, there we go. And that's it, yeah. So, she's all cleaned up. Everything's looking pretty good with her. Only thing I got left to do for as far as today goes is just put this other mirror on. Take about 10 minutes. So here it is. So yeah, we're gonna end the video right here. She's coming along. Not bad. After I do this, I'm going to change the transmission fluid, put a transmission cooler on, and I have a new pan for this transmission that has a drain plug on it, and a filter, of course. So that'll be next. And yeah, and then she's pretty much done after that. Then I'll take it up. I'll use my sister's house, her garage. She got a nice big one, and I'll give this thing a good detail. Start off by washing it, then use a clay bar, then you hit it with compound, then hit it with wax afterwards. And they usually shine up pretty good if you watch any of my other videos on the cars I did. Yeah, and there we go. She'll be my daily driver pretty soon. Winter's coming, or it's actually here. Snow will be here soon. So there we go. Alrighty, bye-bye.